validate subsequence. So the idea here is that we have an array and a sequence array, and we want to check, is this array a subsequence of this array? So essentially, do all of these elements appear in this array in the same order, regardless of if there's anything in between them? And the solution for this is actually pretty straightforward. So essentially what we want to do is iterate through the main array. And as we iterate, we're going to say, okay, is this current element the next element in the sequence? And then we're just going to see, have we gotten to the end of the sequence? So the way that implementation works is we keep track of a sequence index as well. And if at any point the sequence index is at the end of the sequence, then we can simply break out of the loop. And then if the sequence at that sequence index, so if the current element in the sequence of where we are is equal to the current value we are seeing in the array, then we're going to increment our sequence index, meaning we're moving forward in that sequence that we are looking for. And then at the very end, if the sequence index is the length of the sequence, then we are simply going to return true. Otherwise, we are going to return false. And if you do want a more in-depth explanation of this question and the solution in many more languages, it's available for free at AlgoExpert.io.